Hello, and thank you for joining us today. I'm Tom Pesky, your MC for today's FabTech webinar on innovative thinking and metal forming after the pandemic. Welcome to those of you who are joining us from the FabTech conference in Chicago, as well as to those who are signing in remotely from points across the globe. This event has been organized by the Bureau of Foreign Trade of the Ministry of Economic Affairs of Taiwan to give you a quick way of learning about the newest metal forming and welding innovations from leading Taiwan-based companies. Each of the 5 companies participating in this event will have several minutes to tell you how they are advancing in the respective sectors of the industry, including their capabilities in smart manufacturing. There will be an opportunity to ask questions, so please put those in your chat. And without further ado, let's get started. Next, we have Mr. Chuck Wong, U.S. Regional Representative for Tailift. Tailift specializes in laser cutting equipment and sheet metal machinery with newer AC servo models, including extensive automation features such as automatic loading and unloading systems that eliminate the need for an operator. Its newest punching machines also feature integrated punching, forming, rolling, and tapping functionality that improves processing efficiency. Welcome, Mr. Wong.
Hello, my name is Chuck Wong. I am a representative for Tailift Group, Taiwan from the U.S. Tailift Group started in 1973 in Taichung City, Taiwan by Mr. Steve Lin. This is a family-run business. Currently, we have 3 factories and 2 sales offices in Taiwan, 2 factories and 3 sales offices in China. We are a material handling equipment, tea production, and environmental equipment fabricator. We have sales office in Indonesia, Dubai, Vietnam, and US. We have distributors over 30 different countries. We have a total of 650 employees. Our sales reached $100 million in 2020. We started in Taichung factory in 1973. In 1985, we started another factory with punch laser in Nantou, Taiwan. We also have factories in Guangzhou, China, Nantong, China. Our production facilities are located in our headquarters, which is in Nantou, Taiwan. We have global branch of sales office contactor that you can contact us throughout the world. We are a sheet metal processing industry, and I would like to talk to you a little bit more about the application of being used on these type of equipment. For instance, these type of equipments are being used for construction, heating and cooling system, show display, electric, mechanical equipment, transportation, kitchenware, medical. These are only a few examples that we process with our equipment. Sheet metal process equipment automation process. Here at the following page, I would like to show you the sheet metal processing in automation. As you can see here, this is shown in the red and the blue color of the flowchart. So the blue color is showing you that the process through the office, as from taking an order, entering an order, process through the internal system of the company, and then for the red, that will be going out to the factory, taking an order, distributed to different departments for processing until product is done to ship out to the customer. And then this next page to show you that through order management, delivery management, drawing management and planning, equipment, computers, software like ERP, CAD/CAM system to process the manufacturing requirement to get the products done for the customer. With that said, You have to have a good internet system with firewall protection, with high speed internet to protect the data, and to be able to remotely communicate throughout your whole company process. Here, I would like to show you the latest and greatest punch press that we have. This is what we call the latest servo electric model. Unlike the old model that we have as a hydraulic, causing a lot of oil leak and a lot of expensive fix. With the servo electric model, we don't have to do a lot of maintenance. And this is a video that I show you. It comes with a low and unload system. Here I have a video showing the laser cutting machine automation. This is the latest also that shows you the automations along with the storage shelf. You can customize whether 6, 8, 10, 12 shelves depending on your facility's need. It shows that where you can also load all this material into the machine and unload it without an operator, saving a lot of processing time. Here's the pictures with the storage rack that we showed. And on this video, it will show you that the press brake with a robotic arm. As you can see, with the robotic arm, we don't need an operator having to stand and set up the toolings and get everything done. With the robotic, we can have automatic tool loading, automatic tool bending, automatic tool unload with the process of an automation. Besides that, this is also another servo electric press brake that, unlike the older version of the machine where it used hydraulic wall, this is all electric, so it eliminates a lot of the maintenance costs. Thank you again for all your time. I really appreciate it. Please contact her should you have any question. Thank you.
The second question is for Mr. Chuck Wong from Tailift. Chuck, one of the newest automation features in your laser cutting equipment is automatic loading and unloading that eliminates the need for an operator. Can you explain how that works in a little more detail?
Yes, thanks for the question. So with the load unload system, we have a single or multiple storage unloading systems. That eliminates the operator having to run back and forth, doing everything manually. The load unload system is by processing, putting a whole pallet of material onto the storage shelf. And then from there, it will automatically load into the machine to process whether it's laser cutting or punching. Once it's finished, then it will unload the material onto the storage shelf. In some instance, customer can request to unload these particular individual part, and stack it up into a storage bin.
Great, thanks so much.